Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing, even though there's no box, of the Nike Dunk Low Plum. You can see it right here. You can see it levitating next to me. Don't know why it's not spinning. We can't seem to get this thing to work properly. But before we get into the shoe itself, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because it really does help out the channel. So, as we all know, the Nike Dunk hype is going crazy at the moment. Travis Scott is bringing out his own pair. Off-White have obviously already released some, and our Levitator is doing a madness. But this, there we go. Sorry, just a little mishap there. This is one of the cleanest sneakers you're going to see. Originally released in 2001 as part of the Ugly Duckling pack, the Plum is one of the more celebrated Nike Dunks to date. Unlike its SB counterpart, this is one of the traditional basketball silhouettes. So we've got the thinner tongue, less padding around the collar, and it's just a bit sleeker, which I do prefer. Releasing this coming Saturday and retailing at £90, this shoe is very hyped. With premium suede all the way across the upper, this is countered expertly by the mesh tongue as well as mesh on the collar. And I mean, like, ooh, when you go that, you can see the color change. You know that's that good suede right there. With plum hits accented perfectly by these deeper red hits on the laces, swoosh and heel counter as well as sole, this shoe is a must cop for us. And if you're thinking about copping to resale, there's a pretty penny to be made in these. People are going crazy for the Dunks at the moment, and this is one of the must-haves of 2020. As I said, releasing predominantly through raffles this coming Saturday, £90 is a retail price, and I'm not gonna lie, you will be making absolute bank on these, but wear your goddamn sneakers and don't try and resell them because these are going straight on my feet. If you are thinking about copping to wear them, fit true to size and they are hella comfortable. I've been bopping about in this pair in the office all day and it's an absolute banger. This is the first of 3 unboxings on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, so don't let me know that I'm wearing the same clothes in all of these because I'm not gonna lie, I will be. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Dunk Low Plum and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing, probably tomorrow. But before you leave, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really helps out the channel. See ya.